In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can adjust the power and sleep settings in your Windows. So let's get started. First is you just have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on this one, system, and then scroll down and you will find power and battery. Okay, then here you'll find screen, sleep, and hibernate timeouts. Click on that. And here you'll find for plugged in and for on battery. So turn my screen off after, click on this drop down, and then you can choose your desired time or specific time that you want to turn your screen off. So you can go with 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It's up to you. Also for make my device sleep after, you can also choose your preference from here. Also for on battery, turn my screen off after, click on this drop down and then choose your preference in here. Make my device sleep after, the same thing, just simply choose your preference in here and that's it. That's how I can easily do it. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.